Who told you this? It's a question invariably asked to me from someone with a Christian mindset. I'll explain what I mean by a Christian mindset a little later. Hi, this is Reginald Kuakaru. I'm going to talk to my Christian brothers and sisters lurking on my channel today with some compassion and understanding about where you are in your journey. First of all, allow me to commend you for having the courage to step out of your comfort zone and gather information. You're watching my videos that I know are challenging for your whole worldview, and I know from experience how difficult this must be for you. Understand, I was where you are. It may feel like I'm attacking you, but that's not my intention. I share this knowledge for those that are searching for answers, not to change your mind or break down your whole world. You're here because you want answers, and that's okay. I know you've been taught to feel guilty and have your faith questioned when you have questions, but the reason you have questions is your soul is trying to wake you up. You need to summon the courage right now when your mind is flashing red lights in fear. But your heart knows something is off, and you need to reconcile the conflict between your heart and mind. Allow me to say, you're okay. You're not crazy or out of your mind. You're awakening to who you are. Now, the next thing. I always find these questions, who told me this, and what makes me so sure, very interesting. I said in the beginning that those questions come from a Christian mindset. This is what I mean by that. You're so trained into simply believing what you're told that it doesn't occur to you that you have the ability to research and gather information for yourself. I was not told. I empowered myself through research. If you pay attention to my videos, you'll see books and quotes that I posted in the videos and down below in the video descriptions. You can verify what I'm saying for yourself. You have the power to do your own research, and you can know for yourself instead of just living your life based on an opinion. Christian belief is no more than accepting the opinion of someone else's spiritual experience. It's analogous to a virgin being told about an orgasm, and then they go preach to others the good news and how wonderful an orgasm is. But they don't know because they've never experienced one themselves. The virgin simply believes in someone else's experience. I'm going to challenge you to verify or disprove what I say with your own research. When you do, then you will know and be certain for yourself instead of just believing and living ignorant or not knowing the truth. So who told me and what makes me so sure? Research, inner knowing, common sense, and the confidence to trust my own mind. I know that it's hard for someone with a Christian mindset to have confidence in their own inner compass because you're taught to not lean on your own understanding. You've been taught to abdicate responsibility for your own experience and hand it over to Jesus or the devil. Either one is given credit or, in the case of the devil, blame for your life. When you step into the world of ancient Kemetic spirituality, you become a creator god or goddess in training, learning your power to create. It takes courage because the path can lead you to the unknown, which can be uncomfortable. Christians are trained to fear what is unknown, never considering that the enlightenment could be liberating. Now, I have questions back to anyone that will ask the question, who told you this? And these questions are, do you have the courage to step out of your comfort zone and do your own research? Do you have the courage to trust your own self and your own inner compass to find your way? Can you rely on common sense to take over when an absurdity assaults your intelligence? That's what you'll need to break free from a system of negative conditioning and mind control. You have the power. Now, will you exercise it? The truth is, when you dig, what you will know is the truth is more powerful and empowering than the lie. Come on in. These spiritual waters are deep but healing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.